We are going to talk about regularity of paper airplane.
We conducted experiments on this subject. When the paper airplane is flying, how does the distance change with speed?
That is our goal.
We use these 3 paper airplanes in our experiments.
Arrow, Bulldog, and Classic Darts.
This is method. We set up a paper airplane on the launcher.
Next, turn on the launcher switch to launch the paper airplane.
Measure the distance from the launcher to the place where the paper airplane landed.
Repeat these processes 6 times with 3 types of paper airplane.
And this is the result of these experiments.
Although there are some errors, the flight distance was wrong in the order of ABC, and the speed became faster.
It is like this when summarized in a graph.
In the second experiment, there is an error in the data, but the difference of the average can be represented by a straight line.
It seems that the flight distance also changes depending on the shape of the wing of the paper airplane.
Thank you for listening.